Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com. And in this video, I'd like to talk to you about gaps. How do you trade gaps? This is Netflix. And last night, obviously, after market close, they released earnings, which caused a gap up. So here's one way that you can treat a gap. And what we hope for whenever there's a gap is the smallest range bar you can get from high to low. And the reason being is once this bar closes here, what you want to do is mark the high and the low. And if it breaks the high, you want to go long. If it breaks the low, you want to go short for a gap close. Either way, you're putting your stop on the other side of the bar. So if it closes above the high here, we're going to put our stop below the low and vice versa. So the smaller this bar is from high to low, the smaller the risk you're taking, right? That's why. But otherwise, it's that simple. You wait for a break either way. All right. Once it gaps, you do nothing. You wait for this bar to close, and then you wait for a break one way or the other. Look at back here. Here was an example here. Sorry, let me slide this chart over so you can see this gap right here. This was a prior earnings report. So a gap, the bar closes. We take our trend line, we mark the high, we mark the low, and we wait for a break. And by a break, I mean a close outside of it, which was on this bar here. So on this bar, you enter that order, you put your stop down here, and it pulled back, never did take out the stop, and off it went. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, click the like button, click follow, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.